Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain some more patterns. In my previous video I explained some patterns. Now let's do some more patterns. Let's try to print a right angled triangle pattern. So this is the right angled triangle pattern. So this is right side and it is in the form of a triangle. So it is known as a right angled triangle pattern. So if the user enter 4, it should be having the 4 rows. If the user enter the 5 rows, 6 rows. Depending upon the user entered value, the number of rows should be in that many levels. Let's consider the user entered value is 4. Means we should have 4 rows. So this row is known as, so suppose this index is 0. Yes or no? This index is 1. Similarly, this index will be 2. And the last one index will be 3. So the indexing will start with 0 and end with 3. If they ask, the length is 4. Yes or no? So the I value over here, let it be this I. So I equals to 0. So the first row will be 0 and the second row will be 1 and third row will be 2 and fourth row will be 3. So if it is 0th row, then the number of elements in that particular row is 1. Yes or no? Now, if I value is equals to 1, if I value is equals to 1, the number of elements are 2. Similarly, if the I value is 2, then number of elements in the particular row is 3. Similarly, if the I value is 3, the number of elements in the particular row is 4. And remember one more thing. So in the each row, the number of elements or the number of elements should be same. So look at here, this B. So the B and B. So both are same elements. And in the third row, C, C, C. So these are the same elements. So in every row, the elements should be same. So BB, CCC. So depending upon. So this is the thing which this pattern need. Now let's see practically. First, we have to give to the user, enter the number. What is the syntax for the user input? Let's try. So let it be the user input be num equals to. So actually the user entered input is in the form of an integer. So if we keep in the input format, so it will be internally it will be in the form of a string. So to convert that string into the integer, we have to explicitly keep this int keyword. Then input, and whatever we have to write, we have to write in the double quotes only. Yes, enter, let it be number of rows. So we need that one only, no? Yeah. Enter the number of rows. Till here, it is fine. Next, what we have to take? For loop. So why we have to take the for loop? Because at first iteration, it should have I is 0. Next, it should go to the 1. Next, it should go to the 2. Next, it should go to the 3. Depending upon the number which we enter, the user enter number, depending upon the user enter number, it should iterate one by one. So now we can take the for loop so that it will be iterating till the range the user enter the input value. Till where the user enter the value, till there we can keep the range and we can continue the for loop. So in this way, we can try now. Look at here. For I is the input value. At first iteration 0, and the second iteration 1, then 2, then 3. So I in range, till where it should stop, till the entered number, because the I value will starts with 0. It's an integer, so it's index value, so it will be starting at the 0 and till the num value, the range is still num. Suppose the user entered value, let it be 5. So what will be the iteration here? From 0 it will be starting. Why? Because it's an index value. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes or no? Till 4 only. 5 will not include because at the range only the -1. Yes or no? It will not print the last value. Till 5 minus 1 means till 4 only. So these are the 5 elements by iterations it will be doing. So I think you understood this for loop, how we have to use this thing. Yes or no? Actually, these are in the form of alphabetical order like A, B, C, D. You know, Unicode values. So what is the Unicode value for the A, which is 65? Yes or no? 65. Similarly, what is the Unicode value for the B? 66. Then C, 67. Then D, 68. These are the Unicode values for A, B, C, D. Look at here. These are the Unicode values for A, B, and C and D. 65, 66, 67, and 68. These are the Unicode values. Now look at here. These are the unique codes of A, B, C, and the D. Now we can take 65 plus 1. Yes or no? Why? To iterate the A, the first row. So 65 is its unique code. 65 is the A's unique code. Plus I. What is the value of I in the first iteration? I will be equals to the 0. Means what is the 65 plus 0? It is equals to 65. What is the Unicode of 65? Which is capital A. At the second iteration, we have 1. I is equals to the 1. Then 65 plus 1, which is 66. 66 is equals to the Unicode of B. Similarly, 2. So 65 plus 2, which is 67. So 67 Unicode is C. And next iteration, which is 3. So 65 plus 3, which is 68. The Unicode of 68 is D. We can take this thing also, no, like 65 plus I. So iterating the I value from 0 to the number which we entered, because the characters will be starting with A only. Yes or no? Means 65 only. It will be starting with 65 only. Okay. Okay. We can take 65 plus 1 I. Then how many times we have to take this 65 plus? Let's see. Means here we have to take I plus 1 times. Means the 65 plus I should be taken I plus 1 times. Means at the first iteration, when the I is equals to 0, 65 plus 0, which is 65, into what is the I value? 0. 0 plus 1. What is the 0 plus 1? Which is 1. Means the 65 should be printed 1 time, which is A should be printed 1 time. Then B. So 65, this I value is 2. So 65 plus 2 is 66. 66. Which the Unicode of 66 is B. How many times the B should be printed? Into I plus 1. What is the I value? Which is 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. Means the B should be printed 2 times. Similarly the C. So C. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. So the C should be printed 3 times. So that this is the main logic. So you have to remember this thing. Okay. Which is 65 plus I into I plus 1. If you understand this thing, it is very easy to solve the question.